All right, here's the 250 out of the car and disassembled. That front seal was just boogered up big time. I don't know if people know what those numbers are. 4, 9, 11, 12, 10. I don't know what those stampings are for. But here she be. I have a question down here. What in the world is that white mark on there? Is there any chance that somehow the camshaft is hitting on the bolt? I don't know. We might have to investigate. Here's the oil pan. In pretty good shape, but some of these bolts, especially the ones in the front, are deformed some. I don't know what the best thing to do about all that is.
Oh, remember that 68 Firebird I had? Primer gray one? Had the spring six in it? Yeah.
So we got everything in there. So,
I wish I had.
all right. So now we just gotta fix it.